A century of excellence, a legacy of dominance. Kingston College, KC, cemented its place in history with a thrilling victory at the 115th ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships with Gout champs. The Fortis Army roared as their beloved school secured its 36th hold on the trophy, defeating their fiercest rivals in one of the closest battles in recent memory. As the curtains fell on Champs 2025 at the National Stadium on Saturday, March 29, KC stood tall with an impressive 293 points, turning back the fierce challenge of Calabar High, which finished second with 229.25 points. The purple and white baton left no doubt about their dominance, sending outgoing head coach Lefar Grant off in grand style. His tenure ended with yet another championship trophy, a fitting farewell gift from his determined warriors. Now, on the girls' side, we have Hydel High. They prove, you know, them are the real G. Season their second title in 3 years. With 277 points, they capitalized on Enfield Hallen's high missteps, besting them by 11 points. Homeland Technical finished third place with 230.5 points. The victory marks a shift in power in girls' athletics. Heidel's triumph showed precision, resilience, and mastery, qualities that have turned them into serious championships contenders year after year. Their celebration was one of sheer jubilation, a testament to their unwavering determination and superior performances across multiple events. Now, the boys' championships delivered electrifying performances and unexpected upsets. Western champ standout Sanjay Seymour of William Knibb Memorial shot the field to win the Class 1 200 meter in 21.27 seconds, beating Calabar's Junior Gallimore and Casey's Markel Smith. In Class 2, Usain Bernard of Peterfield's High stormed to victory in 21.82 seconds, stunning home mode technicals Jaden Collins and Casey's Jason Pitter. St. Jago's High dominance in Class 3 was evident, with Rajan Ramelli clocking 22.57 seconds for gold, followed closely by teammate Finlay. So here are the top five. For the boys, we have KC 293 points, Calabar second in with 229.25 points, Jamaica College third in 207 points, St. Jago High fourth in 135 points, and Excelsior High got fifth there, 78 points. The top five girls' school, Hydel High 277 points, Edward Allen 266 points, Homo Tech 230.5. St. Jago High 149 points and Immaculate Conception 100 points. As the dust settles on another epic champs, KC triumph is, written in history, a testament to their century-long dominance in schoolboy athletics. Hydel High rise to prominence signals a new era in girls athletics, proving that the baton of greatness is ever moving. For every athlete, coach, and fans, Champs 2025 was a spectacle of resilience, passion, and the unbreakable spirit of Jamaican track and field. With pen relays on the horizon, the battle for supremacy continues beyond the national stadium as Jamaica's young stars prepare to shine on the international stage. The Fortis spirit reigns supreme, Hydel soars high, and Champs remains the highest, the greatest high school track and field show on earth. Did you enjoy it? Tell us in the comments, and who were you rooting for? Big up to all the schools that participated. Keep shining, whether you win or not. Now let's talk about the world athletics scene. The 200-meter race, The Maurie Plant Meet in Melbourne delivered electrifying performances on Saturday, March 29, where the spotlight on Olympic champion Letsile Tebogo and Australian sprint sensation Gout Gout was unexpectedly shifted to, you know, them go on. The highly anticipated first World Athletics Continental Tour goal meet of the year drew record-breaking crowds, but it was Kennedy and Ndori who left fans in awe. The 200-meter race, a much anticipated showdown featuring Australian record holder Gout Gout, saw a dramatic turn as the 21-year-old Kennedy stole the victory in a personal best of 20.26 seconds. Kennedy exploded out of the blocks and held his head through the bend, resisting the late surge of Goat, who finished just 0.04 seconds behind. Completing the All-Australian podium, Calabar took third in 20.78 seconds. Now, Goat is only 17 and he has been a revelation in the past year, smashing Peter Norman's long-standing national 200-meter record with a blistering 20.04 at the Queensland All-Schools Championships. He then followed up with a near-identical 20.05 in his first race of the season, reinforcing his status as one of the fastest young sprinters in the world. Despite falling short in Melbourne, his progression remains remarkable, with sprint legends like Usain Bolt and Tebogo predicting a bright future for the young star. Now let's talk about Tebogo. Instead of contesting his signature 200-meter event, Olympic champion Tebogo opted for the guerrilla 400-meter to build endurance ahead of the World Championships in Tokyo. The Botswanian Sprint King, found himself in a fierce battle against countryman Bayapo, who powered to victory in 45.14 seconds. Now Tebogo finished a close second in 45.26, while Scotch running out an all Botswana top 3 with 45.60. Though Tebogo's time was well off his personal best of 44.29 from a year ago, his performance showcased his versatility and commitment to strengthening in his endurance. With the 2025 season just beginning, he remains a a strong contender in both the 200-meter and 400-meter disciplines.